Hey, this is Scott of PhotographyBonsai.com. Today I'm going to go into more detail on the SB-800's wireless mode. More specifically, it's called CLS, the Creative Lighting System of Nikon. So I just have it in standard TTL mode. You can cycle modes, of course, with this button. We want to go into the main menu area. You have to hold the SEL button down until it shows up. Then from here, you can use the directional buttons to select what you want. We want this little icon for wireless. To hold the button down once, and then you can press up or down to select from this menu over here. We want the remote one, which means this flash will be acting as a remote to the camera. And for the camera itself, use the built-in flash to trigger it. So just select that and then go to an empty space in this menu and hold the SEL button down again. Now you can see we're in the wireless mode itself. You can use these directional keys to change the zoom, or use the top and bottom to change the channel. So I'm going to put mine on 3. That's just what I had it on. I also have a group option. So you could have multiple groups of flash with different settings. Let's go to the camera itself. So I'm in the custom setting menu, and there's an option for bracketing and flash. Let's go in there. Flash speed, we don't need to mess with that. I just have it set to 1/250th. We can go down to this option here. It says flash control for built-in flash. We go into here. It'll probably be on TTL by default, but we want to go down to CMD, which means commander mode. Let's go in there. Now it says built-in flash. We want to make sure this is off. Might be in manual or TTL, but just put it to off. That means it will not be adding to the overall exposure. We go back to group A, which is what I had the flash set to, and just put it to TTL. There's a few different options, but we put it to TTL, and then we can do exposure compensation in here if you so choose, but we don't need to do that. And then down here, this is important channel. Of course it'll be default to 1, but I have it on 3. You can easily change that. And just press OK to exit out of that. So now I have the camera itself. The flash should fire off. So that's it. Pretty simple. Works well. And of course you've got the full TTL functionality to it.